Making manner matter. Adverbs of manner in action. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English grammar and focusing on a very important element: adverbs of manner. In this video, we'll learn how to use adverbs of manner in context, making your sentences much more vivid and expressive. Let's jump right in. Adverbs of manner are words that describe how something is done. They modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, telling us more about the action. Common adverbs of manner include words like quickly, slowly, carefully, happily, sadly, and so on. For instance, in the sentence, "She runs quickly," the adverb quickly tells us how she runs. When using adverbs of manner in a sentence, they usually go at the end of the sentence or after the main verb. Here are a couple of examples. 1. She sings beautifully. 2. He worked on the project carefully. In both these sentences, the adverb of manner, beautifully and carefully, comes after the main verb, sings and worked. Now that we understand what adverbs of manner are and where to place them in sentences, let's learn to use them in context. Consider the sentence, "I draw." We can add an adverb of manner to show how I draw. For example, "I draw quickly," or "I draw carefully." When we use adverbs of manner in context, they add vital information to our sentences, creating a clearer picture in the reader's or listener's mind. Let's put our learning into practice. Try to add appropriate adverbs of manner to these sentences. 1. She dances e.g. gracefully, energetically. 2. He speaks e.g. loudly, softly. 3. They write e.g. neatly, messily. Remember, the choice of the adverb can change the entire meaning of the sentence. Well done! You've now taken a big step in understanding how to use adverbs of manner in context. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be using adverbs of manner naturally in your everyday conversations. Remember, the key to mastering a new language skill is practice, so don't forget to apply what you've learned today. Until next time, happy learning!